What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So my wheels came in, 35s are in the truck. I'm at TFT Off-Road in Chateauguay, and we're gonna throw them on and see how much we're rubbing. Let's go.
Brake cable C's, another cable is system. The boots doesn't break dust because they might have done with the brake and they just replace.
So there's not really a big difference in height with these 285 75 17s and these 35 12.5 by 17, but these look fucking sick. I am gonna be poking out a lot more just to show you a little before. This is my zero offset, and these are negative 38. I might be rubbing here, but we'll see. Negative 38, boys. No way. Oh my God. Dude, I was grazing it. On the firewall, when you were turning, I was like just like maybe like a centimeter away from it. I'm gonna smack this thing. For sure. Yeah, of course, yeah. But yeah, I was like, you were turning, we didn't hear it, but like, it was like a centimeter away from it. It's pretty sick, eh? Yeah. Final product, baby, let's go. Sheesh! Let me tell you the truth about 35-inch tires. Like you guys saw, like I filmed earlier, negative 38, 17 by 9 on 35s. I knew she was gonna rub. It's pretty nice though, eh? But the truth is, boys, let me tell you, today, it's hammer time. So I'm gonna do this for a couple of hours. On both sides. And I got some sealant. I'm already out of breath. Whatever. I'm not gonna film this whole ordeal here, but I basically want to push in about 1.5 to 2 inches. And check out this beautiful sledgehammer that Dom has. This is how we're gonna do it. And catch you in a couple of hours. Okay, so that was like what, half an hour? So basically, that was a lot quicker than I thought. I flushed this up with the cab mount relocation. And then up here you gotta be careful, or I kind of already smashed through the firewall a bit. That's easier, so I would use like a smaller sledgehammer that Doe passed me. And the big boy, you can't really go further than here. And we don't think it's gonna rub. But ideally, in a perfect world, you would tub this, but hey, we don't got time for that. And then we're gonna put some silicone, black noir, black noir, to seal it up, and then put the tire back on, and then I'm gonna do the other side, and I'm gonna pray to Jesus. Just kidding. All right, boys.
No icing?
We're sealed up. Icing on the cake, baby. Let's go. On to the other side.
Bading, badang. Bading, badang.
Alright guys, we finished smashing my firewall in. Some things you guys should know. Negative 38. She's gonna poke out a lot, as you can see. And obviously you're gonna rub more, so you're probably better off with like a negative 25 or a negative 12. And probably like a 8-inch rim. Keep in mind I am re-geared, so if you're getting 35s, don't even bother doing it, because you're gonna like your truck for maybe like 8 months, 6 months, and then you're gonna hate it like I did. I'm re-geared to 488, and I did the cab mount relocation. What else did I do? The pinch weld too. And then today we obviously bashed in the firewall, and we're not rubbing, but off-road we're probably gonna rub, I'm imagining. So the proper way to actually clear 35s is probably a tub job, which I'm not gonna do, so we're gonna see how that goes. That's it, bro. See you on the next one, my guy.